Yeah, this is delicious okra and ogbono soup. Trust me, you will like it. This is things that I use in making this wonderful soup. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell to be getting updates on how to cook all kind of African food. All right, you will never regret it, trust me. Okay, now we are adding our spices, our crayfish, our salt to cook, our meat and fish and stockfish and other things needed for this. All right, now I'm adding a little water to steam the meat after 20 minutes. Then I open the pot. After that, what I did was I remove all the fish and the meat. Why I remove them? So that when turning the food, the thing will not scatter inside the pot. That's why I'm removing them, right? Nothing special about that, but on your own you can also leave them. It's your choice. Okay, that's why I'm removing them. If you find this video helpful, please help me drop your comment and share and share and share and share. Very, very important. After that, what else will I do? I will add in my ogbono. All right, why I'm using ogbono to cook this particular soup, so that the soup will maintain the draw. If you use only okra, it will make sense. Then after I remove all the meat and the fish, I add in my oil. Some minutes, I add in my ogbono. That's what I'm turning now. Then as I add in my ogbono, after some minutes, I add in my okra. Okay, this okra, cook it half done if you want to get the taste of the okra. Okay, then after I add my okra, I add the fish and everything I cook. Then after 2 minutes, I turn. I add in what again? Crayfish. Okay, when I add crayfish, then I turn a little time. After 1 minute, the food is ready. You can consume. If you are watching video to this extent, just type my name in capital letter Martino Ezugo Kitchen and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.